Hey Kimi Kim. Tissot is well known for its multitude of functionalities, one of which is a separate date window that allows an easier timekeeping experience. So let's take a look. First up, the Tissot Seastar 1000 watch. This versatile timepiece has a double-sided anti-reflective coating, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, a stainless steel case and water resistance up to 300 meters, adding durability to it, and a rotating bezel with a mineral bezel ring that gives it a chic look. It has a white dial with luminescent material on the dial, as well as hands for uninterrupted night vision. Furthermore, it has a date window that offers convenience. Next up, Tissot Chemin de Tourelles Powermatic 80 watch, a Swiss automatic watch with a leather strap, an interchangeable quick-release bracelet, a power reserve up to 80 hours, and a date window that offers uncompromised comfort in timekeeping. It has a silver round dial with a stainless steel case, rose gold PVD coating, domed sapphire crystal glass with anti-reflective coating, and water resistance of up to 50 meters, making it a decent choice for regular wear. Let's get to the last one, a Swiss quartz movement, posh brown leather strap, an interchangeable quick-release bracelet, a water resistance of up to 50 meters, a stainless steel case with carnation gold PVD coating adds style and convenience to this masterpiece. It also has a date window and diamonds as indexes over a black dial, which makes it simply elegant.